Hi, I'm your DNA, the hidden script that shapes your entire body. I'm curled deep within your cells, guiding life itself. Inside each of your cells, I twist and coil, silently orchestrating every function you rely on without even knowing it. When your cells divide, I split too, ensuring every new cell carries your unique biological signature. I am your identity in motion. From the moment you were just a cluster of cells, I've directed every beat, every transformation that formed who you are. As your brain began to form, I laid the foundation, building the neurons that would hold your first thought, your first dream. I choreographed your development like a maestro conducting a living symphony. Each cell, each system, played its part in harmony. I live within your stem cells, quietly holding infinite possibilities. I decide what you might become, one choice at a time. Your skin regenerates constantly, and I'm there, ensuring it heals, protects, and renews, guarding your outer layer with care. When your hair grows, it's me behind the scenes, giving structure, strength, and texture. Even your curls carry my imprint. As your muscles flex and grow, I signal the creation of strength. I help you rebuild every time you push your limits. When you fight off illness, I'm in your immune cells, activating defenses, customizing your response to the world's invisible threats. A small wound? I activate your body's emergency plans, signaling healing where you don't even need to look. I never hesitate. In your pancreas, I instruct cells to make insulin, balancing your blood sugar with microscopic precision. I help you stay steady. Every time you remember something, I'm involved. I support the neurons that hold your stories, your memories, your wisdom. During growth, I respond to hormonal cues, extending limbs, stretching muscles, helping you grow into your changing form. I make sure your lungs can breathe freely. I help produce the proteins that keep each breath smooth and effortless. When you spend time in the sun, I protect your skin by helping cells produce melanin. I adapt to keep you safe. In your intestines, I instruct cells to absorb life-sustaining nutrients. I make sure you get the most out of every bite. From two people, I formed a brand new you. I'm the bridge of generations, the thread that connects the past to your present. As you took your first steps, I was hard at work in your nerves and muscles, supporting balance, coordination, and new beginnings. Even as your cells age, I'm still here, repairing what I can, slowing the clock where possible. I never stop trying. When invaders threaten, I train your immune cells with memory, so next time they'll know exactly how to respond. I nurture new life in the womb, ensuring every cell forms in harmony. I shape future generations from the inside out. In your liver, I help neutralize toxins. You may never notice, but I'm always cleaning, balancing, and defending. I guide bone formation, helping your skeleton grow stronger, denser, and more resilient with each passing day. I regulate how your body stores and releases sugar. Every fluctuation is tracked and adjusted, like a cellular accountant. Even when you're sleep deprived, I try to hold the line. I activate emergency responses to keep you going until you rest. When things go wrong, I struggle too. I try to correct errors, to protect you, even when disease disrupts my flow. During peace, meditation, breathing, calm, I help restore balance. Your breath calms me too, and I work with ease. At night, I know it's time to rest. I scale back energy production and help your body reset while you sleep. Just before action, I prepare your muscles for the challenge. I ready your cells to meet strength with precision. Even in your tears, I'm there, regulating proteins and moisture, reflecting your emotions at the most microscopic level. When you see light, I help convert that into vision. I fine-tune the way your eyes interpret the world around you. In the cold, I adapt. I signal fat cells to warm you from within, shielding you in ways you never see. After illness, I guide your body to rebuild. I organize healing at the level no medicine can reach, cell by cell. I manage your core, hunger, sleep, temperature. Every rhythm, every signal flows through instructions I give. In your bone marrow, I help generate your blood. I build oxygen carriers, defenders, and cleaners, your entire internal workforce. When you focus, I adjust gene expression to support cognition. I help your brain stay sharp under pressure. While you sleep, I clean, organize, and prepare your cells. You dream, I work, I always work. I help train your immune system in the thymus, teaching it what to fight and what to protect. I'm your inner teacher. Even old scars fade because I remodel your tissues slowly over time. Patience is part of my language. When you exercise, I expand blood vessels to deliver more oxygen. I adapt your body in real time. I'm not alone. Inside microbes, I exchange data too. Life is more interconnected than you realize, and I guide that unity. In your brain's darkness, I regulate sleep hormones. I help you fall asleep and wake up in rhythm with the sun. As your hair grays, I reduce pigment. It's not loss, it's evolution, maturity, your history written in strands. When a transplant enters your body, I adapt. I guide your cells toward peace, toward understanding. As you play music, I fine-tune muscle coordination and memory. I translate intention into movement, thought into melody. When new threats emerge, I evolve. I adapt my instructions to keep you one step ahead. I link your gut and brain in ways science is still discovering. I help moods and digestion speak the same language. In moments of awe and light, I stay quiet. My work is done for now, but I'm always here, within you. In your joints, I maintain flexibility. I respond to movement with microscopic instructions that keep you agile and fluid. I helped you speak your first words. I supported your brain as you discovered language, connection, and self-expression. Even in digestion, I regulate acid production, ensuring comfort, balance, and protection deep within your stomach. On a hot day, I activate sweat and balance your salts. I help you cool down and stay hydrated. In moments of closeness, I help release bonding hormones. I am the science behind every warm embrace. Under stress, I activate survival tools. I produce what's needed when needed to protect you from harm. Learning an instrument? I help muscles remember. I support coordination with every repetition. I mend bones, forming bridges of healing. I respond to injury with calm determination and strength. In your kidneys, I filter, regulate, and balance. I help your body stay clean, one molecule at a time. When you laugh so hard you cry, I regulate fluid and proteins. I make sure even your joy has balance. As your immune system works quietly while you rest, I manage responses carefully, aiming for peace, not chaos. During dance, I coordinate strength and grace. I synchronize your body to move with beauty and precision. When your cells face stress, I repair what I can. I remain steady in the face of internal storms. Your heart relies on me for rhythm. I maintain energy and stability with each beat you never notice. While you sleep, I encode memories. I help preserve what matters and let go of what doesn't. I help foster empathy. Through mirror neurons, I support the connections that make us human. After trauma, I guide healing. I rebuild tissues quietly and consistently, long after the pain fades. I keep your eyes clear. I regulate proteins to preserve vision. Even in blinking, I work silently. In pregnancy, I coordinate life's most sacred exchange, nutrients flowing from one body to another. In sunlight, I spark production of what you need. I convert light into strength, potential into action.